And on the server machine, make sure that you install the following software programs: MySQL database server, Java runtime environment, Apache Tomcat server, and have the MySQL dump file and the Word file, which uh, were created on the development machine. And you can also install the MySQL Workbench or install MySQL command line client program. Now on the server machine, we import the database from the dump file, which was created in the development machine. We can use MySQL Workbench or use MySQL command line client program.